So I know the reason why most of you came here is to see what's in my goodie bag. So let me just wipe my hands so that I don't, I'm just gonna put it into my braids so that I don't have product in my hair and product contamination. Like, it smells so good you could almost eat it. Don't eat it, folks. Hi loves, I'm Phoebe Alexis and welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is centered around all things natural hair. For today's video, I'll be unboxing a package I received from Dark and Lovely Africa. Let's get started. So, you're probably wondering, how did I get so lucky that I received this package from Dark and Lovely? Well, it's pretty simple actually. So, I've been following Dark and Lovely Africa for the longest time, both on my personal and my Instagram hair page. So, Dark and Lovely Africa runs an Instagram live series called Live in the Queendom, where basically they feature a whole bunch of natural hair enthusiasts or just hair enthusiasts in general. And well, currently for Women's Month, they're running a live series where they feature a few of their employees on their Instagram live. So basically what I did was I participated in a bunch of their Instagram live. I made sure to like, to comment, to ask questions, just make my presence known during the live. And at the end of the series, I was gifted with this So I just came from my bathroom and fetched all the Dark and Lovely wash day products that I use, just to prove that I am an avid user of Dark and Lovely, and I'm not just saying this for the sake of the video. Like, I actually look at how much, I don't know if you can see how much conditioner is left. It's like that much. But yeah, as you can see from like my shampoos and conditioner, I am an avid Dark and Lovely user. Here's the other ones that are full so you can compare. No, I'm not trying to trick you guys. I legit use Dark and Lovely products, and I've been using Dark and Lovely products since the beginning of my natural hair journey. I tend to use more shampoo than I do conditioner. I know that's weird. I don't know. I think most people use more conditioner than they do shampoo. I don't know. Comment down below and you tell me which one you use more. I personally use more shampoo than I use conditioner. And these are my two absolute favorite shampoos. This is my go-to like everyday wash day shampoo. Well, I don't wash my hair every day, just to clarify. But when I wash my hair and it's just a regular wash day, I'm not looking to do anything special or extravagant. My hair just feels dirty. Then I use this because I like that it's not too stripping on the hair. It leaves your hair soft and it leaves it full of moisture. But I also like using this fat protein food shampoo. And I'm one of those people who does protein treatments on my hair, I'd like to say on a regular basis. I do a protein treatment at least once a month, maybe once every 2 or 3 months. Yeah, so probably monthly, but sometimes I get lazy or sometimes I forget and I don't do a protein treatment. But I aim to do my protein treatments once a month. But in between those protein treatments, sometimes my hair needs a little bit more oomph, it needs a little bit more protein, and that's when I whip out this bad boy just to give it a little bit of that, you know. I'm not even sure if this is made for natural hair, but I use it on my natural hair and I love how my natural hair feels afterwards. So I would also definitely recommend this if you need a boost of protein in your hair care regime, or if you can't necessarily afford a protein treatment every month or every 2 months, then this is a great alternative, brushing your hair with a protein rich shampoo. Okay, so I know the reason why most of you came here is to see what's in my goodie bag. So let's start with the first product here, the Hair Rescue Intensive Repairing Mask. As the title of this video says, this is an unboxing, so I haven't used this product yet, and currently I have a protective hairstyle in, so I just haven't had the opportunity to use this product, but I look forward to trying it out soon. And ooh, this smells coconutty. Is it supposed to smell coconut? I'm like avocado. Why do I smell coconut? Okay, I don't know. Wait, I'm getting a hint of amla. I do use amla oil. I don't get avocado though. But anyway, it smells good. It smells good. It's just, to me, it smells a bit nutty, like coconut almost. This is like it feels almost like a butter, I would say, not a cream. Well, it's creamy, but it's more thick, like it's very, very thick. It feels like a butter almost, but ooh, I can't wait to take out my protective style so I can try this out, man. It smells good. I don't smell I don't smell the avocado though. I can get a hint of amla oil, so, but no avo. Next up, we have the All Natural Afro Moisturizing Butter. Yeah, I also look forward to trying this out on my afro. Ah, man. It smells so good. And that's how it looks like. It looks like mayo. Like, it smells so good you could almost eat it. Don't eat it, folks. This disclaimer, guys. If y'all eat it and get food poisoning, it wasn't me. I'm telling you now, this is not food. Don't eat. Do not consume. This is for your hair only, and none of the products that I'm going to mention or have already mentioned are for consumption. So y'all tried it. Y'all can't blame me if you eat this and something happens. But it smells so good, and it looks good too. Honestly, it looks like mayo. It feels like mayo. So you see, this is more runny. I don't know if you can tell. Like, it's more. It moves around. Ooh, more. But yeah, I can't wait to have my natural hair out so that I can try this out. And the texture is like, oh, okay. So it's like, it's not oily. It's more of a creamy, like buttery texture. So I look forward to like trying these out and maybe doing a tutorial demonstration on how to use the different products. Let me know if you'd be interested in a video like that, so I can plan my way around that. Next up we have, oh, this is in French, Curl Power Curl Activated Jelly. So I think this is like a gel. It says it's infused with aloe vera and coconut water. Oh, I like that it doesn't smell bad. I know some gels have a tendency to have like this medicinal chemical type of smell, but you can't really, well, no, not you can't really, you can't actually smell that with this product at all. And there, it looks like a regular hair gel. Feels like a regular hair gel. I'm very interested to see how this would work. I don't know if I could use it on my edges. Ooh, I should have used it to sleek down my edges to see how my edges react. Next time I do my edges, I'll do them on camera so I can show you how this jelly compares to my other, what is it called? Edge control. However, I don't think this is the type of hair gel can be used for sleeking down your edges, but I mean, I could be wrong, but there's no harm in trying, right? So I'm gonna try that out for you guys on camera, and we'll see how it compares to like a regular hair gel. But I assume this hair gel is more for like when you do a wash and go type hairstyle, because it says it's a curl power, it's a curl activator. So I'm pretty sure if you want that wet look, you can use this gel to achieve that look. But again, I've never tried it before. I'm looking forward to taking these out so that I can try it for you guys on camera, and you guys can see and tell me how you like it, and I can tell you how I like it, and I can tell you how I like it too. Next up, we have the Easy Styler Plaiting Pudding Cream. And that's what it looks like. The texture is, it's a bit bouncy. I don't know if you can see that. It's like, it's creamy, but it's also like jelly. Like it's quite firm. It's not watery. Like if I had to turn it over, I don't think it will fall out. So yeah, that's what the texture of the Easy Styler Plaiting Pudding Cream looks like inside. Ooh, this also smells nice. I like how this smells. It smells very similar to the shampoo and conditioner. It has that mango butter smell. What else do we have? So this is Wash Free Braid Refresher. Ooh, I can use this on my protector style now. So actually I'm gonna do a live demonstration. This will be the first time I'm using it. I'm assuming you just spray it onto your hair. So that's what I'm gonna do. Ooh, it smells lovely. Ooh. One thing about Dark and Lovely is it's gonna smell nice. Ooh, I love how that smells. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna be using this more often. I'm gonna be trying this out since I have protective hairstyle. It just makes sense. Ooh, next up we have the Keep Calm Anti-Itch Scalp Soother. And that's what it looks like. This is also, I assume, for protective hairstyle, yes. So I'm assuming it has a nozzle, if you guys can see that, a thin nozzle, and I'm assuming you like base your scalp with it, like your tracks, you know, your individual lines, and then you just go over with it. I can't wait to try this out. Actually, it's not open. I don't. Oh, so it's not a twist cap. I think you're supposed to snap the tip open and then you can use it. So yeah, I'll be using this too since I'm protective hairstyling at the moment. So yeah. Next up, we have the Wonder Wash Moisture Replenishing Shampoo. I am no stranger to this. This is like my go-to shampoo for wash day. I'm not even kidding. I'll actually prove it to you guys that I do have, oh, it smells amazing, that I do have this handy dandy in my shower. If you watched my maximum length retention wash day routine, then you would have seen this feature in like the beginning scene. But I'll show you guys again, just to prove that I'm not new to this Dark and Lovely. Then we have the Dream Clean 3-in-1 Cleansing Conditioner. Okay, this is the one I haven't used. I think I used the other one that's left in here. So I look forward to using this for my wash days. Yeah, how does it smell? I'm actually interested. Oh, it smells just like the shampoo. I'm very used to this one. Now I'm confused. Which one do I have in? Because I have what I think it's this one that I have. This is the Not Out Detangling Conditioner. And it looks like that. It smells like, if you're familiar with these products, it smells just the same as the shampoo. So both conditioners and the shampoo smell exactly like this. It has this mango-ish smell. But for the time being, while I have a protective hairstyle in, I will be trying out these two products and giving you a review on how I feel about them. So far, I like the way it smells. I've sprayed this on my head. I can definitely, like, it feels like my hair was just recently washed. So I think that is the whole aim of this product. I haven't opened this yet. I think I need to prick it. Ooh, look at that. This is not what I was expecting, but it smells like they had this. It came in a similar bottle, but I think the bottle is smaller. What is it called? I forgot, but it's a Dark and Lovely product. I'll like put a picture of what I'm speaking about on the screen. And that brings us to the end of the review. I can't wait to take out my protective style so that I can try out the other products on my afro and see how my afro reacts to it. I'll be linking down all the products that I got in the description box if I can find them on either the Clicks or Dischem website. I'll link them in my description box so that if you'd like to purchase this, you can. I'll also do some research and see if Dark and Lovely maybe has an online store, or if there are other online stores where you can purchase these products so that you can also get it for your own personal use. I'm pretty sure Dark and Lovely is available worldwide, if I'm not mistaken, but I know it's definitely available throughout the entire continent of Africa. So I'll try to find some alternatives as well, not just South African online stores where you can purchase the products from. So we've come to the end of this video. Before I go, I'd like to thank Dark and Lovely for picking me as one of their lucky winners. I'm so grateful for all the products that I've received, and I look forward to trying out the new products that I've never used before. If you like my content and you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss anything, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, loves. Mwah.